gotta admit, I jumped on it, it blew the tires off. Come on, glow plugs. Heated seat, heat up to 90. Oh, hello there. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am SendIt Steve. We are obviously taking the 6.4 power stroke today. And as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I think it's time for a change. Some of you might not be agreeing with this, but I think it's definitely time for a change. I don't really know exactly where we are going with this. I kind of have an idea of where I'd like to go, where I'd like to be. But one thing is for certain, we've got a truck to go look at. So let me, we're almost gonna fall there. So I saved you guys owe me one. So I actually located a truck that was actually on Craigslist, or I don't even know what it was, but I noticed it, and it's something that I've kind of always been interested in. I guess long story short, we're going to look at a truck. I'm loaded up, I'm ready to rock, I'm ready to roll. It's only about a 15-minute drive up the road here, and we're gonna go check it out. I think you guys will like it. I just don't know if I should sell this because I'll be getting this. So, I don't know, stand by, I'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, would you just look at it? Oh, just look at it. Oh, I'm super pumped. Who would have even seen this coming on the SendIt Steve channel? I told you guys I was gonna build a square body. I think we're knocking on the door here for a square body build. So let me get out and actually talk to this guy and see if we can't look at this thing over. Alrighty guys, so here it is. It's actually a 83 3+3 crew cab ramp truck. Now this thing is actually cool in its own. I did find a couple little issues with it. The radiator is actually leaking on the thing. Not too crazy. You can see it dripping there. Sounds amazing. I think I have a little clip of me revving it in there, but it's actually in pretty good shape for being a 1983, honestly. So somebody obviously switched out seats and everything like that, but man, what a cool time capsule. I'm gonna talk to the guy a little bit. It does have a little bit of cancer on this side and on the other side, and kind of the same spot, and then up here on the pillars it's starting to rust a little bit, but it's not crazy for what it is. What do you guys think? Should we bring a rollback or a ramp truck to the channel? It does have air ride, he said, in the rear, not the front, but definitely in the rear. Alrighty guys, so we actually looked at that thing, and it is actually really cool. It's one of those things where you don't see that often, and now I just got to do some thinking. So I did go ahead and make an offer. I made an actual trade offer with a vehicle that I have, so we're gonna have to stand by. He said he has a guy coming at 6 o'clock this evening, hopefully with a cash offer, and he might accept my offer if this guy doesn't show up with a cash offer. So we got a little bit of thinking to do, and well, I'll talk to you as soon as we get back to the house, because I gotta kind of do some research on it too. So let me do a little bit of research. I'll pick back up, because I do honestly think it's coming to an end for the 6.4 here, guys. I do love this truck, but it's also one of those things where I don't need such a big truck anymore. I don't have the dealership. I don't do, heavy hauling or anything. Yes, I do need a diesel truck, but I don't think I need anything this big. So a subscriber there, so whoever you are, shout out to you. But yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do here. I kind of love the 6.4, but I think it's also where I could make a couple financial decisions that would be better for myself in rather than keeping this truck. So I'll pick back up once we get to the house and I do a little research. Alrighty guys, well, I've been doing some thinking, and I kind of want to touch base a little bit about the F450. As you guys do know, we did end up getting it inspected today. Passes with flying colors. As you guys do know, this truck is an absolute animal. I know everybody says that my tires are in terrible shape, but they still actually legally pass inspection. But I wanted to touch base on this, guys. So a little bit of it is the registration cost and the upkeep on this truck, everything that kind of goes with keeping this truck. So registration every year is actually $400 to register, and that's just to register this truck every single year. Now the registration actually runs up, I believe, in the end of March. Not really sure when. I think it's March or April, I don't know. But the registration is definitely coming up, and my insurance renewal is actually coming up. Another thing that you guys probably don't know is, it being a 450, you need to actually carry commercial grade insurance for this type of vehicle. Because of the GVRW of the truck, you can't just register or insure this for a smaller truck rating, I guess. You actually have to have commercial insurance for this. So if you guys don't know that, and you're in the market to buy an F450, you've got to have commercial insurance to actually, basically operate this thing legally going down the road. I don't care what anybody tells you, it's the truth. Talk to your insurance agent, get back to me, drop a comment down below if you are an insurance agent and you know that. But the GVRW on this truck is too high, so it actually has to have, like I said, commercial grade insurance. So there's a couple things a couple reasons why I do want to get rid of the truck. It's nothing mechanically. It's not because it has high mileage, not because it's a 6.4, nothing like that. The truck absolutely runs and drives perfect. Does every now and then kick an engine light still for that sensor I put in there, but I guess it is what it is. I'll have to dig deep into that if I do plan on selling it, and kind of go from there. So basically, long story short, is I'm sitting here. I took the truck to get it inspected while I'm waiting on this guy. I mean, we are getting super close. Again, you can see on there, no problem, because I said, hey, let me know if the guy doesn't show up. We're sitting right here at 5:41, and like I said, he said he has a guy coming at 6 o'clock. So I'm getting nervous, I'm getting excited, and it's one of them things, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys actually want to see that kind of build. Maybe if I don't get this one, I can buy one similar to it. I don't know if I would keep the 454 in it. That's kind of something that I wanted to talk to you guys about and wanted to know what you guys want to do. But let me know if something like old school tow truck related would be cool to have to kind of replace the F450. So again, guys, there you have it. I am in the market for a square body Chevy right now. No, I don't want to pay 10 grand for something. So guys, don't send me all your square bodies. Don't send me all the messages saying here's a square body, here's a square body. I like doing the research. I like sitting up at night and, you know, and doing the research and finding one that I want to find. So I appreciate everybody wanting to help me out with that, though. It is really, really cool. When I say I'm looking for something, everybody sends me all the things, but I don't need you guys to send me all the square bodies for sale in the world. I will search for what I want, and you guys will know when I find what I want. But this is actually a very, very similar truck to what I'm looking for. So hopefully the stars aligned and we're able to get it. So there you have it, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button too. I really need the subscriptions. We want 100K. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video. All right, let's lay her to the rug and see what she's got. I love it. I love it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but JPM Tech is actually the one who took me to get the old girl. But we've got this thing home, and surprisingly, this thing drives really well. I know you guys can't see me. It's all just going to be like vocal, but we'll go back over this truck tomorrow. But it actually drives really well for what it is. Oh,
it is. It's a Chevy. It's gonna drive well.
Oh, here we go. Here go all the Chevy love. It, you know what, it does actually, and it sounds really mean too. I gotta admit, I jumped on it, it blew the tires off. You definitely know it's a big block in there. Oh, all right. Well, there you guys have it. We'll get more in detail on this thing in a later video. Take care. Huge thanks to Josh. Definitely check him out, JPM Tech, even though you can't see him. All right, take care. We'll see you in the next one.